Hello, today we've got a Nissan Navara, and the problem was this little light down here. It was staying on, and the Navara is, if you can read that, 2007 d40. I'll turn down the radio. So to get rid of that light, this one here that looks like a exhaust pipe, there, we went for a drive and had no power whatsoever. Foot flat down on the accelerator down here. We could only get up to like 40 k's, and we're going along, so we put it into not drive but into third gear, and we're getting about 45-50 k's an hour and about 2,000 revs, and we drove for approximately 35 k's, and we turned around to do another loop, and we got another 20 k's in, so it's 50 k's all up, and that light there went out, and it was starting to buck. Wouldn't go, had no power, keep on bucking and bucking and bucking. So we pulled over, we turned it off and restarted the vehicle again, and voila, it was all fixed. So there you go. If you have that problem with that little exhaust orange light down there for the exhaust regen, that's how we fixed it. Just a quick short video. Nissan Navara d40 2007 with the regen, because the Navaras you can't do a force regen with the scan tool, as we found out. You basically have to drive it until that light goes out, and then pull over, turn off, pull out the key, put the key back in, restart it, and off you go. Cheers. Like and subscribe, and we'll keep posted for the next one. Oh yeah, and by the way, I'm way down south in a little town called Clinton, halfway between Balclutha and Gore, and it is cold. Cheers.